Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a project in Base44. The first thing I want you to do once you're in your dashboard, scroll down, you'll see your recent apps, click on the one you want to go ahead and delete, and then here on the top menu, you'll see this, right? It says dashboard. I want you to click on this. What I want you to do on the left-hand panel, right, go ahead and scroll down until you see settings, click on this. Click here in app settings. What I want you to do is you scroll all the way down. You'll see this one right here. Delete app. So it will permanently remove this app and all of its data. Okay? And this is irreversible. So click here on delete app. Okay? It will give you this pop-up. Click on OK. And the app, as you can see, has been deleted successfully. And the project basically is gone. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.